I'm a pimp, old falling fathers in the rap game. Slowly get the tempo just enough to keep these bitches tight. I'm a
Let's start this. Alright, yo, we back with another video. Yes, sir. We got the boy Sean, Mr. Photographer over here. Joey, 335 in the back. You know the body. See, man, we're just outside at this beautiful airport trying to get some clips for y'all. Trying to get some clips for this collection. It is a little windy, so this fucking Mother Nature, please bless us and allow me to take some crispy ass videos. I'm saying, appreciate you, Sean, for putting that up. But again, look at this blessed day that we are at. Beautiful sunset. Some random airport we're having no problems at. We just get to get our content. You know what I'm saying? What more can you ask for? Don't mind my voice, y'all. I'm not gonna be talking that much during this video. We could go for a little cruise after this. Probably give you a little POV type of drive, give y'all the best sound of this V8 by turbo. Jerry really pulled up and said, I'm gonna shit on all you guys. Look at this thing. Oh my god, man, just this blessed day, man. We are out here getting some great content for this new drop. If y'all haven't peeped, make sure y'all follow the Instagram, the TikTok. Go check out shopdusty.net. We just released a fire quality premium shirt drop. So we're out here just giving y'all some good content, you know what I'm saying? Rocking the Dusty plate, but best believe when we leave this beautiful airport, we are going to be taking that off. Why? Because we are good civilians. We do not watch, bro. I swear to God, if this shit drop, I'm gonna take the Dusty plate off because we are good civilians. We don't be acting out doing nothing crazy. All right, we are just out here trying to grow our businesses, trying to grow our social media. Call me a motherfucking degenerate or something. We on top of the world with it, bro. On a Benz, yes, Sirski. You know what I'm saying? This is the type of energy we is on, bro. This is the type of energy we is on. You see, I'm creasing them. I'm putting in plug. Yeah. I just want to take this second to really appreciate what we got going on right now. We got this beautiful God-gifted sunset with these beautiful planes, with these beautiful cars, with the homies, bro. How much better can this get? Beautiful weather. We just uploaded content for y'all because you know how we do. We trying to get y'all the very best content. All right, y'all. We are dipping out of this beautiful place, but I got something I don't want to show y'all. I'm really embarrassed. I'm mad insecure about it. But all right, I'm just gonna be vulnerable with you guys because you guys are the fam. Bro, I'm messy. But think about it. I'm not really messy. I got anything just in case we need to have a good time. Or if we're in any problem. You know, we got the CLS, we got the banana. Hooping. You know, and just in case y'all trying to get some buckets on me. We got some motherfucking coolant just in case, you know. Real license plate because we are some civilians. Water, wash necessities, some Goo Gone, extra clothes. What are you talking about? I do gotta clean this up. Don't get on me. But let me change my fake plate because we're about to head out of here. All right, y'all. We are picking up from the day after. We went to the airport, but it ended up getting so dark, so we didn't really have good lighting to do any type of POV drives or any flyby clips for y'all. So we are out the next day trying to get y'all the very best content. Yes, I've been looking back on my videos and trying to make sure that the quality is as best as it can be, at least with what I got right now, which is the iPhone. So we're gonna start driving with our windows up a lot more now because I could just tell the air is probably not something y'all want to listen to. I'm just trying to give y'all really what this V8 by turbo talking about, this fake AMG. Just try and give y'all the best type of clips for today. With that boy Joey in the end too. Let's get a little bit of it. Just a little bit, cause it's mad hot outside. It's like 93 degrees outside. I don't know if any car guys are like me. I'm not trying to be cruising and driving. Oh, there's a cop behind me. There's a cop. I literally got court tomorrow and there is a cop behind me. There's two guys in here. Guys, I don't know what is gonna happen. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. It looks like he popped open his computer and he is scanning the plate. I hope he sees that I am going to court, that hopefully there's nothing he could get me for. Let's see. The cops took a U-turn back. So, you know, what a blessed day it is. God is good, know what I'm saying? Let's just give y'all the very best content we can now. So what did we come here to watch this video of? this slightly tuned straight pipe Benz. They give y'all what y'all want. Okay. Alright, let's see where Joey bringing us. Joey is claiming these are elite back roads, so let's see. Okay. Nah, these back roads is pretty fire. Yeah, W scenery, bro. Damn, these back roads are amazing. Holy shit. Let's give y'all some burbles. Oh, unless Joey's trying to. Oh, he's trying to. See what Joey talking about. We're back out in the woods. We're gonna try and give y'all the very best content. Yeah, bro. I gotta incorporate my dash cam footage. Back on the streets with it like some thought. Just got the big booties outside, know what I'm saying?
We got Mr. CLS going now for this FLYBYS. Ooh, buddy.
Roll these windows up, bro. I'm trying to give y'all the very best experience. All of my CLS owners, just in case y'all are wondering what this off and the yellow orangish button looks like, that shit, that means I got my traction off. In this, it means ESP in the car. You got to go to the settings and find it. It says ESP. But you're not gonna spin necessarily, but your wheels are gonna spin fully. So since this is all-wheel drive, maybe my car might only limit me to spin so much once I'm not on ESP. Now I have full access to completely spin. You know what I'm saying? Let's give y'all beautiful back roads. Beautiful back roads. Oh, this is one of them. Oh, this shit hard. This shit hard. Let me show y'all. We is just outside. Joey brought me to this unknown, mysterious ass spot. But this shit is low-key goated. Low-key, Joey's been like, what, 2 for 2, 3 for 3 on elite back road spots. Look at this shit, bro. We're not probably gonna get FLYBYS, but this shit is epic, bro. I'm in a whole different scenery, bro. Look at this. If I really wanted to, I could go swimming. I could dead go swimming if I really wanted to. Maybe go fishing, catch something to eat, you know what I'm saying? But look, this is what we be doing. We be going and finding new spots to give y'all the very best quality, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like it, hit that sub. It's my turn.
I'm giving Dusty this nice little POV in the M2, bro. For all the Dusty CLS fans, this is a M2. Big vibes, man.
Oi.
Gotta give Dusty the big POVs. Yo, that sound kind of fruity, bro.
Man, just another goated spot we got going on, getting some FLYBYS for y'all on this beautiful sunset. Look at this, we in the middle of nowhere with it, just in some nice roads. Uh-oh, what do you think, this person about to say something? Hell no, you're not about to say something. No, we're okay, we're just doing like videos and shit. Thank you. Bro, I said videos and shit, and they looked at me the way I cursed, like I like sinned like the most craziest sin possible, bro. See, I just gotta be careful. I gotta remember who I'm talking to, bro. Like, let's see what Joey got going on. All right, let's see where Joey about to bring me. All right, gangsta. Oh, shit. Let's see where Joey better go. Oh, dude, this shit looks scary. There's a whole well and shit. Oh, this could be fire for flicks. Let's see. Look at this beautiful spot. We got the Germans outside. Know that deal.
Damn, BT.
Alright, y'all, we just go did this little spot. Before y'all saw it, it was mad light out. Now it's a little bit darker. We did have a yap session, you know what I'm saying? But it's only talking about our future plans and what we gonna do with everything. So make sure y'all stay tuned and fuck with us, follow our shit. We're gonna be uploading mad consistent. I'm gonna try and get y'all this POV. These gear shifts sound mad raspy right now. We got mad trees we're echoing off of. These gear shifts sound perfect right now. Y'all probably recognize this spot from the last video. Yeah. Woo. I think that's a policia. Let's keep the burbles to a limit. Oh, Joey wanna act crazy now. What are you talking about? We coming, Joey? Oh my God. Oh my God, this sport mode is just eating through my gas right now. Holy shit. Joey really ripping the M2. Alright, y'all, let's go wrap up another video. Just a nice little cruise, chill with the guys, get some content for y'all. Make sure y'all be following me on Instagram and TikTok to be seeing all the very best content that we be going out and shooting. One more. Oh my God, dude, that shit sound raspy. Currently, we are uploading one video a week. We're trying to stay on that consistent grind, but I feel like I'm trying to challenge myself. So I think I'm going to be trying to post 2 times a week. I'm trying to give y'all the very best content, stay consistent. So make sure y'all turn on the post notifications, stay up to date with the socials, and stay tuned.